In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Calendly watermark from your scheduling page. Whether you're a professional aiming for a cleaner look on your appointment page, or simply prefer a more personalized interface, removing the watermark can enhance your branding. So let's dive straight into the process. Firstly, navigate to Calendly's official website. You'll find it packed with all the tools you need to set up your appointment scheduling system. But for today, we're focusing on sprucing up its appearance by removing the watermark that comes by default on the free plan. Upon reaching Calendly's homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will bring you to the login page where you'll have multiple options for signing in. For a seamless experience, especially if your Calendly is connected to your Google Calendar, you might prefer using the Continue with Google option. This way you can manage appointments and your calendar simultaneously without juggling between different applications. After selecting Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you want to use. This step is quite straightforward, but ensure you pick the account linked to your Calendly to avoid any syncing issues down the road. Selecting the correct account will lead you to a permission page where Google seeks your confirmation to continue. Click on Continue to grant Calendly access to your Google account. Don't worry, this is just to ensure that your Calendly and Google Calendar can work hand in hand. Once you have successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard of Calendly. Here is where the magic starts. Your next action is to direct your attention to the profile icon at the top right corner of the page. This little icon is your gateway to customizing various aspects of your Calendly account, including removing the watermark. Click on the profile icon and a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, you'll find the branding option. This is where Calendly allows you to adjust the visual elements of your scheduling page. Selecting branding will take you to a new page where you can customize your Calendly profile to better match your personal or company branding. Now, for the final step, removing the watermark. On the branding page, you'll notice there's an option specifically for managing the Calendly watermark. It's generally a toggle or a button that, when clicked, will remove the Calendly branding from your public scheduling page. Go ahead and click this option. You might be prompted to confirm your choice, so proceed as necessary. And just like that, you've successfully removed the Calendly watermark from your scheduling page. This adjustment is small but can significantly impact how your clients perceive your brand. A cleaner watermark-free page offers a more professional look and can be much more aligned with your branding. Before we wrap up, here are a few additional tips. First, remember that removing the watermark may be tied to your subscription level with Calendly, so ensure you're on the appropriate plan that offers this customization option. Also, while you're in the branding settings, take some time to explore other customization options available. Adjusting the color scheme, adding a personal logo, or changing the font can further enhance your scheduling page's look and feel, offering a completely branded experience for your clients. By following these steps, you've not only removed the Calendly watermark, but also taken a significant step towards creating a scheduling interface that truly represents your brand. It's these small details that can set you apart and provide a more polished, professional experience for everyone who books time with you. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful guides. If you have any questions or additional tips, feel free to drop a comment below. Happy scheduling!